while you pick it from the stand itself, you can feel the weight. Normal.
Feels like a Duke.
Yeah.
With the power of
You can lift it back. Oh.
So yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So हमारे सामने जो है एक इंटरसेप्टर है जो कि 650 सीसी नहीं है बट 865 सीसी की मोटरसाइकिल है. जी हाँ दोस्तों, इसमें मॉडिफिकेशंस हुआ है. दिस बाइक एक्चुअली बिलोंग्स टू पर्ल. सो थोड़ी देर में जो है पर्ल आपको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि क्या क्या इसमें है. बट आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ बताता हूँ. इस बाइक पर ना कि खाली इंजन की सीसी बढ़ा है, इसमें पावर भी बढ़ा है और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात, इसकी जो वेट भी रिडक्शन हुआ है. 176 के आसपास जो इसकी वेट है. अब पॉल से बात करते हैं और देखते हैं कि इसने क्या क्या ऐसे काम किया.
Language issue.
नो प्रॉब्लम, पॉल विल स्पीक इन इंग्लिश बट थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करके बताओ.
Hindi if I speak, no people will cry.
Like,
So I'll try
let's-
this. थोड़ा हिंदी मालूम है. Okay. So heart of the engine. So what we have done is 90 mm piston it has and full exhaust system. So this exhaust system is from Silver Stallion. So which is like this is completely stainless steel, and we have added some carbon fibers, some as aesthetic way I will come. So you can see carbon fiber. So this is not fully carbon fiber tank, it's a cowl. So carbon fiber, and the gold what you're seeing is not a paint, it's a 24 karat gold. 3.5 gram gold is there.
Once you are in track riding the Suzuki, I will see if I can steal it.
I have some GPS system over
He was just giving a thumbs up.
So I have a majority of interceptor people, whoever it is there, they feel the heat on the thighs. So for that, this RLC carbon, they have made this particular product. So this I have added because it's a 865. Still, it makes more heater than the 650. And we
What
have
is the power? You didn't say about the power.
So I will talk. I mean,
Okay.
finish this.
ठीक है.
So we have this another carbon fiber over here. So these are the things I have done in this thing. Another major update I have done is the USD fork. So yeah, it looks like a KTM. It is from KTM. The outer shell, the inner tube, inside the spring is completely changed. It's into progressive springs from Öhlins.
Okay.
So the Makad is from KTM, and the rims are from, it's an aluminum rim. The front rim is 1.5 kg, the rear is 1.6 kg, which is an aluminum rim, 17 inch. So front I have using Reese trail rad, Reese trusser rad. So this is like a 110 section in the front, and rear is 150 section in the rear. And small cosmetic is on the LED lights and the mirrors I have done. So this is the cosmetic side I have done. Now the interesting one. First thing I will show you is the weight. So it's 178 kg. So any interceptor, if you go like this, you
can lift it back. Oh.
So yeah. So this is that light. And second is heart of the bike. So this is where you guys have to come. So whatever I have done is 90 mm piston, high lift camshaft, big walls, and connecting rods I have changed, crankshaft modified, every single thing, and standalone ECU. So basically RE ECU only, but we have tuned it for the particular spec. So currently this is the fastest interceptor in India, which is producing 80 bhp on wheels, not on the crank, on wheels. 80 bhp and 120 newton meter torque is producing. So each and first, second gear or third gear, boss used to lift front wheels. So that is the power we have done. We kept it on the Motoverse display as well. And yeah, that's one unique bike you will be seeing.
Okay, now please explain the same thing in Hindi. थोड़ा बताओ कैसे.
थोड़ा मालूम है. अयो. So आपका गाड़ी का इंजन के 90 mm पिस्टन है, बड़ा वाला वॉल्स है, आई मीन बड़ा स्टमक, सो बड़ा ब्रीथ यू नीड, सो बड़ा इनटेक. सो वी हैव गिवन बिग वॉल्स एंड फॉर बिग वॉल्स वी हैव इंक्रीज्ड हाई लिफ्ट कैम है. एंड
हाई लिफ्ट कैम को हिंदी में बताओ.
हाई लिफ्ट कैम का हाई लिफ्ट कैम 14 लिफ्ट कैम है. So we are then टाइटेनियम का कनेक्टिंग रॉड है, and
That's okay, don't. अरे मैं ऐसे ही मजाक कर रहा था, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So anyway, so he is not comfortable in Hindi. Obviously, I wanted to make this video in English, but the moment he speaks in Hindi, no, trust me, it is funny. I mean, like, आपको बड़ा सा मजा आएगा. इसलिए जब भी हिंदी में कुछ बात करता है मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है. Therefore, I thought कि भाई करते हैं. ये बात है. But हाँ, good man, good bike.
Thank you.
So you can follow Paul. You can talk about it.
So you can follow me on Instagram, name called GRX India. So G for great, R for Rajasthan, and X for Zado,
Okay.
and India.
ठीक है.
J.
Done.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.